Making a microwave mug cake. You will need 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 4 tablespoons of caster sugar or granulated sugar, 1 medium egg, 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of oil, and some vanilla extract to taste. Add all your ingredients into a bowl or a mug. I've also done mine in a bowl just so it's easier to show you. You can do yours in your mug. Whisk. Add some more milk if it's a bit dry. Add some vanilla extract to your mixture.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Not that much. Don't use as much as that. It's quite expensive. Shh. I've used John Joe's mug. Don't tell him. Add to the microwave for about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. I'm putting mine on for about 1 minute 40 seconds. And there you have how to make your microwave mug cake. Hot.
It's good dough.
Move.